Hey everyone, it's ClickHow. Today I'm going to show you how to search your Gemini chat history on PC to find any past conversation in seconds. First, open gemini.google.com in your browser. Look at the top left corner and click the three lines menu icon to open the side panel. Now look for the magnifying glass icon or the search bar right in the side panel. Click it, then type any keyword from the conversation you're looking for. Gemini will show you all matching chats with your keyword highlighted in the results. Just click any result to open that full conversation. One important thing to know, if you don't see the search icon, your Gemini Apps Activity setting might be turned off. Click your profile icon in the top right, go to Settings, then Activity, and make sure Gemini Apps Activity is enabled. A quick tip, Gemini's search feature is relatively new. If your interface looks different, make sure your browser is updated to the latest version. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.